You know, this is friendship goals 101.
This is friendship goals.
Always offer something painful to your best friend.
I thought it was like always add to your friend. Just
always add pain to your friends.
always. Hello everyone, this is Two Dudes in a Box. Say hello.
Hi guys.
We're watching Thomas the Tank Engine anime. Why are we doing this again? Please, how did you find
this? Because, you know, when you and your friend just want to have a good Sunday, you just bring on that cringy shit and just add to their pain. Because, you know, sharing is caring.
Can I go through myself?
No, you can't. You're gonna sit here and we're gonna watch this.
I've seen the SpongeBob one, and let's just
say this is worse. This is worse. Yeah.
The 30 seconds I have watched from this, I wish I could unsee it.
And the best part is we're gonna rewatch those 30 seconds as well.
Alright, okay, well, you know, Steffers, you want to give a good go, since you did
I will gladly.
Oh boy.
Is everybody ready? Just, are you holding your blankets and your guns to your head? I hope so.
Please,
okay.
I am.
Okay.
No,
alright, let's do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, play.
Jesus Christ, it's so bad a second time watching this. What the fuck? Isn't that, this looks like a JoJo fucking...
Oh god.
Can he be like Kyoto from like Sword Art Online?
Fuck
Jesus. Oh my god, yeah, they're definitely life for each other. They're definitely Jesus Christ.
No.
As I said, can we hold on, wait, we have to stop this again. I need to see this again.
Stop.
Back to 29. What the fuck is that? What is that thing?
Oh no!
Oh. We should just finish.
I swear to God, I feel like Noble right now where he goes, oh no!
Well, first of all, let me...
I don't know what to tell you, dude.
This is the face.
I just don't know.
This is the face when you feel fulfilled, but yet you still want more. Jesus.
God.
What? Oh! What is...
I don't know. Is that I mean... Write in the comments if that's the exact face you make, if you know what I mean. Please write in the comments.
That's how I feel inside every time that you find a video that can surpass the other video that you've shown me.
Oh yes, I can. Yes, I can. That's
he
my
feels like he's been disappointed.
And let me remind you, this just ended up in my fucking recommendations. This just happened on accident. That's the worst part.
I'm taking that for the thumbnail of the face.
You know what? Yeah, I'm stealing that too. Yeah, I'm stealing that too. It's so bad.
Oh no! Wait.
Oh
boy! Nani? It's a rainbow.
Is anybody's child memories messed up? Oh.
Wait, hold on. I have to keep stopping this, but.
No. We have to understand. We have to know what has happened exactly.
I don't. Oh, he's got a ram. He's number 1 rammer.
He's
what
the number
fuck?
1 ram. No! No! Stop!
That's what happens when you have a certain anime go wrong.
This is what happens when you really are like scrimping on a budget right now. I
want to know who thought this was like for the drawer itself. Who he was probably laughing.
I'd like to. This deserves a.
This deserves a golf clap of some sort. The female one. Wait, is Percy the female? What?
What? No, are you serious?
Wait, he has to be the female because most times that it's female, and like this always happens to the female. Like some like villain, like for some this happens sort of online. I remember this very vividly, where like the villain licked Asuna.
Oh, yeah, that's right. No, but in this case, no. Everybody's male.
All right, this is
It's trained sexual now.
What the fuck?
Nani?
Whoa! Wait! What?
What?
I'm so confused.
What?
Did he piss his pants?
What?
Did just oil up his... Whoa! Wait.
Jeez. In
I don't...
pants.
Wait. What happens to the... What happens? What? No, I don't want this alternate ending. Fuck off. What is wrong with that face? Hold on, I need to analyze this for a second. What happened? What? Is that Percy? Is that fucking Percy? I remember the guy's name.
The green one's Percy. Oh.
And then you get Harold winking at him randomly, like, what? What's his point in this? He just looks at us and then point. What's his? This is a weird. This is. Oh yeah, this. What the fuck? What is? No, that's a slide. I thought that was a dick for a second.
That face. I need that face. You know what? That's terrible.
This is a great face.
That's a good profile picture.
They'd be very proud, you know, of all the anime that I've seen. This is this is something else.
This is quality anime. This is Oh my god.
This looks like he's having a good time away with Percy.
Oh, it's so sad. Oh my god.
And he's never seen again. Please, why stop singing stuff like this? I
like the song. The song is touching. So.
It's a good song, but I don't understand.
No, it's not.
I will say the song matches well this anime. Even I can't wait to see this. Oh wait, we're not even done yet. We
have to see. Wait, there it is.
Oh
wait,
yeah,
there it is.
A fat controller laughed. You're wrong. Broke Thomas and Friends. Woke Thomas and Tank Engine. Yellow anime. Actually, that kind of reminds me. This like you're on ice in a way, isn't it? What kind of videos do you watch? It's complicated.
There, they said it. The genders were trained sexual.
What kind of videos do you watch? It's complicated. It's. I like the manga better. The Fat Conductor wasn't as thick in the anime. It was time for them to leave. Seen everything. No, babe, not a single soul. Use your recommendations. That's a tank Asian opening. That's
exactly how that happened.
What's wrong with Thomas Senpai? It looks at Thomas flustered. Are you okay, Thomas Senpai? No, Percy! No! Stay away from Thomas! Stay away!
Nobody. J.K. Rowling. Thomas and the Green Train. No!
J.K. Leave it alone! You've already done it!
Don't touch it anymore! Don't touch it! It's already been touched!
Well, you've been watching just Two Dudes in a Box.
Yes.
Hopefully this is just as much as a weird experience as it was for us.
Did it hurt us? Did it hurt you as much as it hurt us?
Oh, it hurt me thoroughly. I felt it in my spirit of anime itself. God, my eyes.